Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today, we are going to Jasper. And tingnan nyo naman guys yung weather. It's raining na super lakas.
Jasper?
Napakalakas. Ayun. Casper yun eh. Hindi lang siya ganun kakita pero like ang lakas ng ulan today guys. So ayun, sino daw si Jasper? Jasper the ghost. Jasper. And ang original plan for today is mag-glacier ice fields kami and iikot sana sa Jasper to kind of look around the nature ganon, but it's raining as you guys can see, so change of plans. Kaya ngayon kahit mag-11 na nandito pa rin kami sa Red Deer kasi ang original plan dapat is 6 AM maalis na, kaso nga umuulan and pagdating doon lalo malakas yung ulan daw and maghapon yun, so hindi rin namin ganun may enjoy yung pag-picture-picture dun sa mga lugar-lugar. Kaya nag-change plan and you'll see kung ano yung kinalabasan ng plan namin. So, we're gonna stay there for just one night. Then tomorrow, yun na yung magiging glacier ice. Ano? Glacier
Skywalk.
Yun, basta yun. Kasi guys, super lakas talaga. Parang bumabagyo eh. Halos
and it's summer.
Zero visibility.
Welcome to my life.
So, right now, we're just gonna go to Superstore to buy some ice. Ang madadala namin.
Kasi kahit umulan, we need ice.
Yeah, para malamig yung tubig namin and yung mga food is di masira.
Kasi like, 4-hour drive ba yun? 4 hours?
Yeah.
4.5 hours?
Yeah. Ayan, anyways, we're here na sa Superstore. And, ayan, dito pala kita. Ayan yung Superstore. Kasi nandyan ba na yun?
Loomis pala. Loomis.
Nang tayo'y magkakilala.
Express.
I won't be able to bring out my camera. Ayokong mabasa doon.
Okay. See you later.
3 hours later.
Suburban summer 17 was a roller coaster ride, a manic pixie dream ride.
Love. Wow, hindi naka-video to. Stop over. Wee time.
It's raining, man.
We still have 2 more hours of drive. So.
It's raining, man.
And she said she liked me, but I bet
1 eternity later.
Daisy, it's alright.
Wait, hello. 5 hours later, we're here. Ayan na paligids. Pagod ka na sa biyahe. Yeah. It's been a long drive. As in, super long drive. And we're here. Check-in na.
May long drive pa na 12 hours.
Kagala pa kami ulit later. So, we'll see. Hello, tita. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi to your vlog. Welcome to our vlog. Welcome to Hinton.
Mabuhay.
Okay. Come on, baby.
Room tour. So this is our room for tonight. Chanan. Chanan. Tingnan natin yung view kung may view. Ayun, RV. Chanan. Let's go.
Wala ka dyan, tinapay.
We ain't choosing no one.
Basta yung mga...
Hi, Gwenny.
Kahit easy. Dalawa-dalawa nga. Sakto-sakto pala tayo. Ano? Sakto-sakto.
Where are we going?
To Banff.
Banff? No, to Jasper. Madrug. Ayun sila. Jasper. Yes. We are going
Isomatic.
out. We are going out na.
Ayan pala, I see.
So let's go.
right thing running about the wrong time. And I think maybe if I'd held on tight, she'd still be sitting by my side.
I'm laying them down.
Mainit pala ay Jasper. Stop over. Annie, say hi to my vlog.
Hi!
Where are you right now, baby girl?
Jasper.
Nice. Ay, dala nyo guys yung sunog na bundok, oh. Grabe pala. Super dami na sunog. Kahit dun sa kabilang side eh. Like yung dinaanan namin.
Caleb!
May mga sunog. For love.
Hi.
Ay, nag-picture kami doon. Sa Jasper.
Caleb. Let's go pew.
Picture. Downtown.
We're in downtown. Yay!
And it's still raining. So, ayan. So, we're here na sa downtown.
Yeah, look at the birdo. The weirdo. The weirdo with the weirdo.
And we're gonna buy some souvenirs. And then, look. Maliit lang, ganda lang. And ayan, Jasper gift. So we're gonna buy some souvenirs.
Proof that we went here. Do not feed the bears.
Do not feed the
Do not feed the...
Welcome to my life. And ayan. Ooh. Postcards. Ito. Jasper.
$7?
Or ayun, no? License. Oh, there's more here pala. Ayun po. Nakabili na kami ng ano. Cute na mga ano nila. Mga souvenirs. And medyo mura compared sa iba.
Compare.
Like, I mean,
Nanira
kasi
pa.
yung kahapon kasi we went to ano, yung binili namin fridge magnet kahapon sa Callaway, $7. Dito yung keychain, ay mga ano is like $5, $6, $7, $8 lang din. So, that's why I said it's cheaper here. And it's nicer kasi ang dami nilang options. Tita in her vloggerist era. Eh, yun, no? We're walking here sa downtown ng Jasper. So, ayan.
May picture naman si Birdo.
Say
May
hi.
picture naman yung Birdo.
Ay, na si Birdo. Birdo. Ay, mita. Birdo. Hindi nakita. There's the kiddos. CIBC Bank.
CIVB.
Miss UBB. Go on your live. You know. This is not live. I'm gonna put it on my YouTube.
What?
What? Yes. Jasper. Ta-da!
Downtown.
Hi guys, we're walking here sa downtown. Ikot-ikot lang. It's already mag-8 p.m.
Mag-8. It's already 8 p.m.
It's almost 8 p.m. but
It's
like
almost
the
8.
light, it's still bright out here. Right? Whistler's, another ano, gift shop sa around the corner. So, wala masyadong tao guys because ano na, gabi na. It's 8 p.m. Or it's probably because umulan din kanina dito. Kaya wala masyadong nagpunta. You know. Naka-video lang. Naghahanap siya ng sombrero. Or this one na ito, oh. Ito lang, hindi ko bagay mag-sombrero talaga.
Maliit yung ano niya.
Oo, hindi niya
Hindi
kasya.
niya nakakapi ulo ko.
Ayun, oh. Suot ko yung medyo pang winter na jacket ko. Well, hindi siya totally pang winter, pero mainit yung loob niya. Sure pa yung loob, so it's starting to get warm in here. Dahil nga nakaganto akong jacket. Yes. Nanay pa rin si Brennan. Siya nung fit pa din siya. Ay, hindi na pa siya nag-fit. Ayaw niya. So, we're gonna head up. Ayan, cute to, oh. Look at the thingy.
Chwing-chwa.
But kaya kong gawin. So, hindi na. Here's na fufu. Laki ng ano nila dito shop. So, we're here at, ito, naka-sale, oh. 22. Ayan. Sombreros. Cute yan. Kasi parang babae.
Pabibili na to.
Hanap ako ng best.
Yung pag nakita mo yung parang kling. Yung gano'n. Yung may
dating.
dugo ka agad. Gusto mo yun.
Alam mo, may nag-uusap na kayo.
Naman na, ikaw yung hinahanap ko. Just
Hanggang ngayon, wala pa rin siyang sombrero na gusto niya. Di pasok sa, ano niya, standard. Oh, standard. Ayan. Picture daw kami dito sa
So,
train.
kasi $5 lang, tapos napakaganda. Charis.
May ganun ba?
Oh. Ano ba
Train.
dito kukuha niyo?
Doon sa harap siguro.
O, lahat muna para mabilis. Mabilis sa isa.
On the beach.
Puta. Okay. Ipan mo pa kuya ng ano, papunta rito.
Ready? Sapa. Sapa din. Balik mo.
Ang dami itong ano, no? Mga jaggy ah.
Then ano, parang
Mga
mas
opa.
trip ko dito kaysa sa Banff kasi it's ano, parang mas quiet siya compared sa
Baka
Banff.
nagkataon lang. Kasi mas mahirap kasi ito puntahan.
Yun lang nga, kasi mas malayo talaga sa Banff.
4 hours to.
Like, oo, like super kailangan mo talaga magstay dito para masulit nyo yung lugar. And then ngayon din,
And you know,
nasunog siya
we're
recently.
having fun now. We're not super dry.
But ang gusto
We're
ko
not
sa
super
puno
dry.
namin is hindi
Kasi
mainit.
umulan.
Yeah. As you guys can see, grabe yung
Jasper
sunog dun.
Curry Plus.
I don't know where we're going.
Tanda ka na, Nay.
We're
Ikaw,
going
nasa kami.
somewhere na ulit.
We're in the mountains.
So, let's go!
Sino ka pa mabilis?
Tada! So, we're here at Pyramid Lake na. Tada! Look at the view, guys. It's so pretty. You can rent and go kayaking, but it's late na, so we can't anymore. Lalim, oh.
Hi guys, so we're in Pyramid Lake, you know, as this is 10 p.m. and we don't wanna do this anymore.
I don't wanna do this anymore. Again, look at the mountains. Andun yung beach, ang Pyramid Beach.
Ayan,
Ito, Pyramid Lake. And merong ano dyan, oh, tulugan, lodge. It's time to go. Let's go sa go. We're gonna go
We're gonna
back to
eat
our...
and we're gonna
We're
do
gonna eat.
the Ligu challenge.
And then we're gonna doggy. We're gonna go back to our hotel, which is an hour away from Jasper. So, yeah. Let's go again. Here's our supper. No.
Magkano yung gano'n? Ano yung order mo? Bakit? Chicken bucket? Pulong tayo natin ng yellow bukas.
The next morning.
Good morning. So we're gonna have our breakfast first, and we're gonna go biyahe na ulit. Breakfast. Love. Antok yarn. First stop. Ta-da.
I'm dry.
Sometimes opposites attract, but it never lasts. So maybe it was just the right thing lining up at the wrong time. And I think maybe if I'd held on tight, she'd still be sitting.
Ta-da! Yes! Stop over! Tama, ayun ang may falls. Cutie falls. We are here. Good morning. Look at the mountain. It's mountaining. The mountain is mountaining. There's still some snow up there. Then this side wala na.
Hi guys, so it's winter again.
Nag-gear up kami for winter.
We're going on the summit of Jasper. Summit?
Summit. What is summit?
Summit is, you know,
Brand ng water.
yeah. Baka sabihin na, di natin alam yung summit.
Joke lang
Yung
yun.
summit yung taas yun eh.
Nag-joke lang. Magnet.
Ba't hindi lang pag nanay, ama.
Apa.
Hindi.
We're going. Sana. Free yung mga bata. Ano, naka-video.
Video na tayo.
Free.
Look, guys,
Yun,
there's
oh.
like
Sa unahan. Gagawin natin. So, sige. Welcome to back our channel.
Columbia Ice Film.
Ha? Hindi na gagawin na. Ito na. May bus na.
Hindi lang kayo makapag-picture pag load nyo.
Left. We're going. We are going now. Ta-da!
Sa unahan. Ay, malag ko. Morning, sir.
Morning.
Wait, Sally, wait. Sasakay tayo sa baliwan. 5 minutes lang, lilipat din tayo sa anong manok. Sasakay tayo sa baliwan. Welcome to Baliwan.
Baliwan ba sa isa? Sa amin lang eh, Santrans.
We're here at the bus. So, alis na yun kami.
Hey guys, so we're going to this place and Skywalk. Thank you, sir.
Enjoy it in
Thank
there.
you. Ta-da!
The stars good.
Yeah. Luckily. Hi everyone.
Hi, welcome to Ice Film.
Wow.
You go, Marty.
Hello. We're in that type of vehicle.
Look at the tires. Ang laki ng gulong. We are leaving.
We're riding the big tired vehicle. Rooster.
Ooh, cool. That's so cool. Grabe yung ano. You wanna back us? Yeah.
So as I said, my name is Jake. It's my second season out here this year, and I'm originally all the way from Melbourne, Australia. Are we ready to engage all six? Yeah! Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! You ready to see how fast this thing goes? Alright, I warn you, it's pretty fast.
It's really fast.
Pretty fast to its top speed, because that is it. Well, none of you have really ever seen a vehicle like this before. That might be because there is only 23 of them in the whole entire world. We own 21 of them. The other two are in Antarctica doing research. One is owned by the Australian government. And the other is owned by the US government. Yeah, very nice. Now these buses are specifically designed for steep and icy terrain. To enjoy the world's slowest roller coaster, all you need to do is throw your hands in the air just like you don't care, scream and shout, and I'll see you all down at the bottom.
Let's go. It's not going.
Oh my god!
We're not even on the steep part yet. Well, the back tires haven't hit the steep part of the grade yet. So,
Engine brake.
it's 31%.
Is this 31 right here?
Right about here, yeah.
31%. This is 19 pa lang.
So we are tilted guys. Ito yung nakakat.
Ito yung bundok.
Ito yung straight. Ayan yung bundok.
Yeah, where those other buses are.
Sobrang steep.
Look, sumunod sa mga basa na dalawa.
Saan ba yun? Ayun yung mga bus na nandoon. Sa may snow. Doon kami pupunta. You're right there. So yun. Nakakahilo siya.
nagpo-focus ka sa isa.
How was that? A bit of fun? Did anyone else have their eyes closed the whole way down like me? Now welcome everyone to the mighty Athabasca Glacier. Wow, you sound disappointed about that. But what do we think's under all this rock and dirt we're driving on right now? It's ice. If you look either side of us, you'll notice that dirty rock.
Yeah, hey, we're here. It's not that bad. Di ba pala siya ganun kalamig?
Snowball fight! Sakit dito.
Look at the bus. Love mo. Kung gano'n kalaki yung bus. We'll try to get some spring water. Spring water! Benny, did you try to drink the water?
Yeah.
Gwen, that's Mandulas na yun.
It's cold. It's cold. Really cold.
Does it taste weird or no?
Taste.
Taste.
You can drink it.
Yeah! Like Kuya Brandon is gonna grab some. Love. Para siyang ano guys, yellow talaga. Nice. Whee! Bugik! Let's go! Nahuhulog na ako sa yellow. Mapailalim yung ako. It's time to go back to our bus. 30 minutes na yun. Now we're gonna go to our next thingy.
30 minutes na pala.
Bilis lang. Nagda-dry na yung lips namin, so we put some Vaseline.
Should get some ice.
Yes.
For the camping.
Let's go!
Glacier nga siya. Tanong mo, yelo talaga.
Oh, gulong pala, lalaki na.
Papalitan na yan. 1,050.
Ay, 1,000 pala. Akala ko ano lang.
Hindi, yung isa kanina yung bus dito.
Ay, iba pala. Ito, laki ng gulong, oh. Kapal! So, we're back na dito.
Skywalk.
Skywalk. Yun yung glass yung lalakaran namin. Makikita namin ilalim kung gano'n kataas. So, pinakamataas yung nagawin namin is sa Calgary Tower. Ito mas mataas pa sa Guyado. So, we'll see. We're excited. So, let's go. Waiting game. Wait for the bus. Shut up.
In the front, you might start to hear a.
But you like to drink, you should've known the first moment you're out of my league. But you said you liked me, oh I bet it was a right thing, running up at the wrong time. And I think
I'll walk on the. Have a great time, enjoy everyone.
Thank you.
Safe travels, folks.
Me too. Columbia Ice Field. Nakakahilo guys, ang taas. Tada!
Tinan mo to, love.
Madrib ka. Init na dito guys ngayon. Tanghaling tapat na. So, the sun is so bright. Shine bright like a diamond.
Welcome to the sky.
So, we're gonna walk dun sa bridge dun. Basta na dun. Sa gitnang part. Dun yung clear yung tatapakan.
Pakita mo sa kanila yun. Tingnan nyo guys, malulula kayo.
Nami guys.
Hindi kayo nalula. Diyan tayo. Welcome to the Sumapchabao. So this is Mount Athabasca. Like that one.
That one daw.
Mount Andromeda. I
Then?
like that Andromeda galaxy. Kitchener.
Kitchener?
There's a kitchen in this mountain. We will eat in that mountain kitchen.
Go, Benny. It's nice.
That will hold you. That won't let you fall. There's birds, see? Flying.
It's nice.
Sarap yung
Very nice.
ang init dito.
Lakad lang kami until there. Daming falls dun, no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Mga 1 million.
Tawag doon ay tenfold.
Hinihila ako na hinihila eh.
Na-accept na niya yung slim na outfit.
Diyan mo ko hilahin lang.
Hindi ganito noon eh. Wala masyadong ganito noong panahon noon.
Oh.
Pero wala rin ganyan noon ko yun. Wala.
Pero lakad tayo doon.
Makakalala may pila. Kayo kasi gumagawa.
Andun na sa gitna dito
Gumagawa
Glenda.
ng sarili nating style dito. Pipila. Pati tuloy sila nakikipila.
Oh my gulay. Look. Dito picture tayo dyan.
Ilang tao kaya kaya mo?
1,055,65,100. Wow! You know? You know?
Okay, dyan ka na lang, tita.
So, we are gonna go to the skywalk. And Gwen is gonna walk by herself. And she'll take over my vlog. Hi! Vlog! So we're at
Just remember, wipe your shit.
there you go. See, she's here.
The glass bridge. I feel like I'm gonna drop it. No, you won't.
How was it, Gwen? Good. Show them your another legs. Show them. Wanna go around one more time?
Yeah.
Yeah? Wanna conquer niya na yung fear niya. So you're not scared of heights anymore.
I'm still afraid of heights.
Look at the water. Right there.
Is that sulfur in it?
Wanna do like this? Wanna go back there or go around?
I can go around.
Go around? Okay, yeah. Look at the edge. Ah! So, how was it, Gwenny?
It was good.
It was good though. Alis na kami yata. Kasi pupunta pa kami ibang mga places. Ganon. So,
Hindi naman tayo sasagad ng
we are heading back na there to wait for the bus. Sakay na pabalik dun sa pinagparkingan namin. Because we are done here.
We're gonna go to the falls
So,
and everything.
yeah, iba pa kami pupuntahan para ma-maximize namin yung
Time
time
namin
namin
sa
today.
Jasper.
Yeah.
We're just poor. Jasper.
Jasper. And mainit na kasi dito talaga. As in, tinan nyo, naka-jacket pa kami na Kaso, pag tinanggal namin kasi to,
Sakit sa
masakit
balat.
sa balat. So, tiis na lang sa init kasi bearable naman kasi yung hapdi sa balat.
Ang masakit.
Ang sakit talaga as in. Ang taas ng UV index. So, ayun sila sa likod. So, we'll see you guys at the bus. Let's go! Mga pagods. Pagods. Ta-da! Babalik na kami. Thank you! So, balik na kami.
Hey, internet. I'll be famous one day.
Ganda ng view, oh. Back here. So, ito. Gift shop. And stuff. Dami ng tao today. Kanina hindi masyado madami. Ganda. Even that one.
Welcome to our vlog.
Okay, guys.
May dugo.
So, we're on our way back to the car. Wow, the car. Kasi parang naka-iblit na kanina dun. Nakakaanto kasi yung feeling din talaga. So, ngayon, parang puntahan kaming dalawang falls pa. And but malapit lang naman yung dito. So, let's go! Hi!
Yan yung sinasabi nilang may rock floor.
Rock floor.
Rock floor ba?
We are at... What's the name of the place?
The Sun Waterfall.
We'll go down there. It's a few minutes walk, but it's fine. Beautiful dog. Cute ng aso. Namimiss ko na si Oy. I miss my dog. Buti na lang I have my other eyes here.
What time?
That's the falls. Ayan lang siya. Yan. But there's another one. Kasi you have to hike for like an hour to be there. So, we're not gonna go there. Lakas ng current. Ganda ng falls. So, we're gonna go to our next spot. which is the Athabasca Falls naman.
Elevation.
So, vlog ang bakit. Recently, ayun. Tayo. Pagod na ako.
If I'd held on tight, she'd still be sitting by my side. I'll never know, I'll never.
One eternity later.
Hello. We're here na
Sa?
Athabasca Falls.
Athabasca Falls. Hi guys, vlog me to my welcome. Welcome to back my channel.
Vlog me to my welcome. Yes.
If you're welcome to my channel, why are you back?
Like, look at the surroundings. You know, grabe yung sunog. Even there. Kailan yung nasunog dito, guys? Ay, na grabe.
Labi ko bro.
Si Brenna kanina pa baseline ng baseline. Nagaraya pa.
Sarap ng adobo na.
Nagaraya.
Sugang no sugo.
Yung tan namin is Tanner's na talaga. Ang lamig ng hangin.
Athabasca.
Pag malapit ka sa falls. Tada! Wow! So pretty!
Pero parang may kayo. Dito ko.
Ay, ang taas! Grabe! Oh, wow! Look at the other side, Gwen. Going on a trip. Grabe sunog, guys.
Pas.
Athabasca Falls Hill.
Oo,
Yes,
living talaga yan kasi sobrang lamig.
Moving.
I don't like messing with regrets, but I doubt you ever leave my head. What could I have done? Could I have said? I'll never know. I'll never know. Oh, I'll never know. I'll never know. Oh,
3 hours later.
Si Chad. Si Chad. Full serve. Astig ah. Now we have more than enough gas.
There's souvenirs and stuff here as well, pero mahal siya, guys. Mamis. So, tawag sa lugar na to?
Saskatchewan River Crossing.
We're here at Saskatchewan River Crossing.
You know where it's Saskatchewan, but just the river.
Crossing. And look at the mountains. It's so nice
Ay,
in
basa pa
here.
yung face ko.
Kaso like super mahal
Look at
ng
the mountains,
mga
love.
stuffs. Tada!
Oh, let the viewers see
Gusto mo,
what we see.
gusto mo gumamit niya, magulog tayo piso. Yun.
So mariin mo na lang.
There's that thing. Tunis pala, hindi lunis. Tunis.
Ganun guys, oh.
Mas makakita ka ng mga
May nakikita ka naman ah.
deer. Ayun, yung bundok. Ay, sila dito pala. And we stop over here talaga para kumain and then para magpagas din sila. And,
You don't need. Tinan mo, nakikita mo.
oh,
Oo.
tanga, wala ka naman nakikita. Nilalang ko mga...
Meron.
Wala.
Ay, siguro may nagbayad, tapos nakakita pa ako.
Oo. Tapos di na naubos. Tapos so we'll eat for a little bit, then probably head home. So we'll see.
Later.
Hello everyone.
Hi guys.
We're here at Crescent Falls.
And can't see the light because the sun is there. Ang sakit sa mata.
And I just woke up from kanina nung kumain kami. Nakagising ko lang ngayon. Ako, bigla ko yun.
Ay, nakakabusog eh. Medyo nakaka-idlip ako, mga 5 minutes. Tapos ayun. Nagising na ulit ako kasi nakakasilaw lang. Everyone.
We're in the mountains with the bears. Hey, what's up?
You're the bear.
Oh, I am. Roar. Hello, internet.
Hello world. We don't like to be bear spray and we don't have bear spray.
We're cooked. The only thing we can do is pray.
Rhyme schemes.
Walang makakakiyat pagod.
Kaya umakyat mamaya? Kayang kaya.
Yung makakakiyat ate ko hindi ko ulit pabalik. Parang tayo.
Oh, nag-jogging sila, oh.
Mamaya sila mag-jogging
Ano, malayo pa yan, baka akala nyo.
2 kilometers yan.
Di pa kayo nakasama ng camping nung unang-una eh.
Hindi.
Pinuntahan na namin ito, bad trip to bad trip. Nilusong namin yung mga sakay namin dito, talagang hirap eh.
Pwede bang bumaba dati?
Dati.
Oo.
Simula nun, di pa kami nakakapunta ulit eh.
Yung energy ko na naipon sa idlip ko, mawawala lang yata.
Oh, there's more, you have to go down too again.
Kaya yan, guys. Pagulungin natin to. Labo, ganda.
Hala, hirap umakyat dito.
Kaya. Strava.
Strava kayo pa naisip mag-strava. Uy, ay, guys. Ang taas na ito. Go, Granny! Are you gonna run? Oh, I can hear the falls. After natin dito, malayo pa sa Red Deer.
Siguro 1.5 red deer na.
Okay.
Pero dahil dito sa pagbaba natin, nagiging...
God. 1 AM. Grabe.
Tingnan fall.
Pedexing.
Ibig sabihin yan ay FedExing. Ibig sabihin, yung mga taga-FedEx dyan na daan.
Kaya,
para ma-deliver nila yung ano nila.
ayun, pedexing.
Bali lang spelling nila.
Oh, look! Saan ka na pupunta? Pababa dun.
Da?
And there's the falls. Tara, I wanna go there. Wow! It's so pretty.
Oh, wow! Mga ka, skywalk! Tara! Tara! Let's wait for...
Hi, Granny! Go down there. Ang ganda dito. Let's go. Sheesh. Let's go. Ano si Brian and I stay sa Aquino Cruise. Diba? There's the falls. Pag naligo ka kaya sa ilalim ng falls lang, manununod ka. Oh, yung pressure kasi. Okay. Tapos magdire-diretso ka na dun eh, napababa. Let's go! Lab! Wow! So pretty! Ganda! Tada! And ayoko baka mag-GoPro ko. Tada! Nalulula ako! Hindi na pati ka nalulula ako. Pero ang ganda! Ano na to? Shit! Ang lalim pala niyan pag nahulog ka. Woo! Nalulula ako.
Baka matalo na, di makaakyat.
Backfighter. Yara tayo.
Ate, where's the key?
Baba na lang.
Tara.
Let's go, Sago. We're gonna go back up there. Ooh. It's scary when you go up. I like it better when going down. It's kind of scary because there's gaps.